بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين وصلى الله وسلم على سيدنا محمد وعلى آله وأصحابه أجمعين. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, praise be to Allah, peace be upon the Prophet Muhammad, his family, his companions. Today, in our seminar, we are going to move to a new subject. It is the most important matter in our life. It is the water of the earth. And we have discussed the existence of this universe, and we found that the whole heavens were created from an origin. The same thing when we come and talk about the water, we would like to know the origin of the water. Did the water come from the space, from other planets, or from the earth? This is the first matter that we are going to discuss in this seminar. Second, we are going to discuss the process of clouds formation and the process of lightning through raining. These are the different issues that we are going to deal with. Of course, through the verses of the Quran. The earth. When we come to discuss the water of the earth, we know from our knowledge that water covers most of the Earth's surface. About 71% of the Earth's surface is water. This huge amount of water has a certain purpose, a certain goal. This purpose will be known later on when we discuss the verses of the Quran related to the water. Because the majority of the Earth's surface is water, our planet, the Earth, is called the blue planet. Okay? So, the first thing we would like to discuss is the origin of the water through the verses of the Quran. We have discussed many miracles in the Quran related to the universe, to mankind, to other things. And still there are many miracles mentioned in the Quran. Some have been discovered, and some are still in the realm of the unseen. We don't know. The future will tell us about such miracles. So, the water of the earth, it is mentioned in the Quran in many verses. I selected one of them in order to discuss this matter, and then see what the science says about this issue, the origin of the water. Allah, the Almighty, said in the Holy Quran, وَالْأَرْضَ بَعْدَ ذَلِكَ دَحَاهَا أَخْرَجَ مِنْهَا مَاءَهَا وَمَرْعَاهَا. This is in النازعات. The corresponding meaning of this verse, or of these two verses, is this. And after that, he spread the earth. Spread the earth. And we discussed this. How Allah spread the earth. And he extracted from it its water and its pasture. Extracted from it its water and its pasture. Water is no. Pasture or pasture is the animal food. Now, we would like you to concentrate on this. He extracted from it its water. From it. Meaning from the earth itself. So, the origin of water is the earth. Water came from the earth. This is what the Quran told us. The origin of water is the earth. We would like now to go and see what the science, the modern science, says about this issue, in order to get the fact about this matter. Let's see what the modern science says about it. Science and origin of the earth's water. It was proved that the origin of the earth's water is the underground through volcanic eruptions. The start of the earth was without water. And the earth was really burning. Burning. And there was no water at all. At the beginning. Because the whole universe was what? Smoke. Cloud of smoke. And then was separated to different galaxies, different stars, different planets. And the planets cooled down, okay? Temperature decreased with time. The same thing happened to what? To the earth. But before the earth cooled down to the temperature that we have nowadays, or at the beginning of life on earth, okay? Before this, there were tremendous numbers of volcanic eruptions on earth. The result of these volcanic eruptions was the mountains, the seas, oceans, lakes, but without water. What happened during the volcanic eruptions is this. The water came from underground through volcanic craters in form of water vapor or steam. Okay? So, the water came through the volcanic eruptions in the form of water, vapor, or steam. This is one of the gases that emitted from these volcanic eruptions. water vapor. What happened to the water vapor? Or steam? The water vapor cooled down in low pressure in the atmosphere and condensed, and it rained for thousands of years to form oceans, seas, lakes, and other water bodies. Huh? Did you get the whole story? This is the imagination of science to tell us how water came into existence on this earth. Okay? So, the water vapor that was released from the volcanoes, cooled down, condensed, okay, and then it rained through thousands of years on earth, and the result of this, the formation of what? Oceans, seas, lakes, and other water bodies. Do this? Okay. Before I talk about the distribution of the water, I would like to present to you a video about the start of water on earth. The origin of water on earth. Of course, it is an imagination. Imagination of scientists. But such imagination comes closer and closer to the truth or to the fact mentioned in the Quran. أخرج منها ماءها ومرعاها. He, Allah, the Almighty, extracted from it its water and pasture.